common question that I get asked all the time is, hey Dan, I love the way your beard is not shiny. It almost has like a matte-like appearance to it or finish to it. How do I achieve that? Well, the answer is actually very simple. It just comes down to the type of products that you use, which I'll quickly break down in today's video. But I do have to say, if you are looking for a shiny beard, that's also simple. Just follow the exact opposite advice that I give in this video, and you can achieve that. It just comes down to a personal preference situation. But I do want to introduce myself before we get into everything. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I absolutely love taking care of my beard. And if there's anything I love more than that, it's educating about how you guys can take care of it to meet your needs, your goals, and your personal preference. If that sounds like something you guys agree with and you enjoy, please hit a thumbs up on the video right now. Consider sharing it. I rarely ever ask that, but if you want to share the channel, if you want to share this video, if you want to make a post on Instagram, Facebook, if you want to make a tweet, all of those things are free and can make a really big difference in my life and many other beards and beyond if you guys are able to get these videos out there. So thank you guys. And of course, if you're new here, consider subscribing. So if you want your beard to not be shiny, I recommend during the day using beard oil only and going for a medium to light viscosity oil. Rule of thumb, the lighter the oil, the less shine you're gonna have. Now, you don't wanna use beard balm, beard butter, or beard wax during the day if you wanna achieve that look. I go beard oil only during the day, and then I wear beard butter at night to get that nourishment. And here's the reasons why. The thinner or lighter a product is, the easier, the quicker, the better it's going to absorb into your skin and into our porous hairs. Now, if you have a thicker oil, one that has castor oil first on the ingredient list, that has a higher viscosity, or if you have a balm or butter or wax, all of those things have a different property. The sealing or coating property. A thin oil absorbs in. Those other ones are going to coat the hairs and stay on top of them, especially something like a wax. If there's beeswax in it, if there's lanolin in it, if there's a vegetable wax, yes, that's a real thing, it's going to stay on the outside of your hairs, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It just comes down to personal preference. So if you want that disco ball effect, you want to step out into the sun and just bam, 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 it's just gleaming everywhere, wear some beard butter. Wear some beard balm. Look for a beard oil that has castor oil first on the list. If none of this video is sponsored, by the way, guys, nothing that I'm going to say is paid for. Nothing is with a company saying, hey, make this. But if you're looking for a thicker oil, I didn't even grab it. Look for something like Artius Man. They have a really thick blend that'll give you that shine. Now, on the opposite side, you're like, I want to go full matte. I want the thinnest one, Dan. Check out something like Beard Octane. Again, this one was just next to me here. I just grabbed it. They have a thin viscosity oil. It can make your beard give you that matte appearance, usually within a half an hour to an hour of applying it. Now, of course, things like heat can speed up that process and help your beard to not have that shine. But I'm one where I don't want to run my hand over my beard and have any kind of grease, any kind of shine on my hand. Now, if you add balm, if you add butter, if you have a thicker oil, if you have that shiny appearance that maybe you want, that does come at the cost of having a greasier or oilier type beard. It just is what's going to happen. People will tell me, hey man, how do I get rid of that shiny look? And I'm like, well, you're wearing beard balm. You're like, I need beard balm. You got to weigh the pros and cons because you can't have both of those things. So very simple. Get away from the sealing and coating ingredients in your beard products. Go lighter, go thinner, and you will get that matte appearance. So to end with, question for you guys, what do you prefer? Do you prefer a matte appearance? Do you prefer a shiny? Do you like to switch it up? Are you somewhere in between? And then, do you have any other tips and tricks on how to get a shiny beard? Or, more importantly, the topic of the video, how to get that matte appearance that people are looking for. I would love to know your guys' thoughts and especially your questions. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope this helps out some people that have been wondering this, and maybe you weren't, but maybe you learned something, and it's good food for thought. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.